Hiya. What's your name? What's your name? Vaisa. Hiya. Welcome to Zakhan driving school. Today we want to, this is just a manual car. We want to learn how to change up, down the gears and how to drive a manual car. So from here, first, check down here. Just leave it. Down there, we have 3 pedals. From your left, we have the clutch. The middle one, we have the brake. And the other last one, we have the accelerator. Here, the purpose of clutch, you clutch in when changing up and down the gears. And then, number 2, you clutch in when you want to stop. In a manual car, if you want to stop, first you press in your clutch before you brake. And then you use your left foot for only clutching.
Only clutching.
Clutching, you use your left foot only. You use your left foot, you clutch completely. Inside. Yote. Leave it. In the middle, we have a brake. The brake. And the last one, we have accelerator. You use your right foot for accelerating and braking, which means when you brake, you can't accelerate. And when you accelerate, you can't brake. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah. From there, we come up here.
Gear.
The gear. How to select the gears? Here, this car has 6 gears in number.
6.
There are 6 gears in number. From gear 1 to gear 5 are front gears.
Front gears.
And reverse is just 1.
That is a total of 6.
6. That's total of 6. And then from there, how to select your gears? Clutch in first.
Clutch.
Yes. All gears are just here. The only way is just how to select them. Gear 1 and 2 are on my side. 3 and 4 are in the middle. And 5 and reverse are on your side. Yes. Why on your side, mine, and in the middle? When you're just here, you just do this one. Make sure your car is free. Neutral. When you want to select your gear, make sure your clutch and your car is free. So you bend on my side and put it up. That's called 1.
Gear 1. Number
2, you come back to the center. You leave it. You bend, clutch it. Bend on my side. That's gear 2. Number 3, go back to the center. Leave it. And then go to 3 straight. That's gear 3. Come back to the center. Straight downwards. Here. And then you leave it. Easy one. Here. That's gear 4. Come back to the center. And then bend on your side. And then go in front.
5.
That's gear 5.
Gear 5.
Come back to the center. And then bend on your side. And then that's reverse gear.
Reverse.
All of them are 6. Go back to the center. Now, it is time. Anything to ask before we go? Anything else to ask before we continue?
We have 6 gears. Which is the major one?
The major? Here, there are 6. I told you from gear 1 to gear 5 are front gears. And the reverse is just 1. So when you're going in front, behind you use your reverse. When going in front, you use from gear 1, 2, and we continue.
Nauliza, ile gear ya ile kuna nguvu sana.
Yes, kuna
inapatia gari nguvu.
Nguvu, gari ikiwa inaendesha, hizi gari hii gear zote zina nguvu. Isipokuwa gear 2, it is a bit stronger. Ni kwa nini? Kwa sababu ukikimbia, unaweza kimbia for a bit longer.
Gear 2.
Before changing it. So, I want you to start moving. And then start your car. Go to gear 1 now. Go gear 1 first. Put down your handbrake. Higher. You are supposed to balance your clutch and accelerator. So you leave your clutch, go back to your accelerator, accelerate a bit, start releasing your clutch slowly, continue, just slowly. Clutch in and change the gear to second gear. Clutch in first, go to gear 2, release your clutch, slowly, we go. Not fast, slowly. We go straight. Be careful about these people. Go to gear 1. Move. Go that side. Here we go on your left. So you're supposed to indicate left and remove. Move left. Continue. Change the gear to second gear. Release your clutch. At the bump, leave your acceleration. More acceleration, we go.